Hurricane Laura is a mad bitch.
Did you know there's a hurricane coming? Okay. So we have to move all this stuff off the patio. By we, I mean Jacob.
We don't have to worry about Laura breaking the wind chime because we already did.
It's so sad out here now.
I know.
It's depressing.
All these dead leaves.
We have to take down our pretty little lights. Cheers to Laura.
Cheers.
Are you ready for the hurricane? This place is about to get real windy.
There's a storm over here. Oh my God, Hurricane Laura is nearly a Category 4. So close.
Scary. These need to probably be put away.
Securing the fleet. That's what we're doing.
Well, that's one way to cover the front door. What are your plans for the hurricane? Wait it out? Cool. The weather's starting to get a little weird. Jacob brought my baby.
She puked everywhere.
On you?
Yeah. What do you think about the hurricane?
Another hurricane. What are we gonna do?
Well, are you gonna evacuate?
Hell no.
This is my hurricane dance.
Go ahead, girl. Get her, get her, get her.
She didn't want to evacuate.
The transmission, they how many miles you got on it, baby?
Almost 100.
Okay.
Securing the vehicles. You wanna catch me?
It's the calm before the storm.
Jacob wants to go fishing. What do you know?
I skunked out again. Not tomorrow though.
I think old Laura's coming in.
It's one of the largest Playboy collections in the world. It has to be. Years and years of studies.
We made coffee to stay up and storm watch.
There's not a lot going on outside, but there's a lot going on in here. I'm reading about sex objects. This thing came up. That doesn't look like it's very much fun. We got nothing yet. Laura might be a bunch of bullshit. Not really much going on out here.
It was windier when we were riding bikes. That was extremely uneventful.
It wasn't the worst. That's a good thing, right?
Yes. I don't even think it rained last night.
Is this post-hurricane, or did the hurricane even happen?
It's so pretty outside.
Laura just missed us. Thank God.
Thank God. Back again.
Amen. Jump in the water.
Thought that was the bait.
Oh, we only need a little bit.
What is it?
That's a perch. That's a bluegill. He's a thick-ass boy.
Meow.
Ooh. Oh, it's a turtle.
No! I knew I was gonna get the turtle.
Oh, man.
It's okay, Mr. Turtle. Do they bite?
Yeah, they do.
Move it. It's so weird. It feels like a Saturday. Gotta lay out the old-fashioned way. Jacob!
Oh, Danny D.
Laura came last night.
No, she didn't.
Yes, she did, but she didn't come here.
That's all, folks.
Bye.